Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and securing the account. This gets you into Gmail fast so you can act. Once done, set up the app or desktop sync and enable two-step verification for protection. Make a quick signature and 1 or 2 labels now so sent mail looks professional and lands in the right place. Don't stall on minor cosmetics. The goal is to have an organized inbox and working notifications so you can move to faster email habits. Next, automate repetitive actions to save minutes every day. Create filters that label or archive messages automatically and forward critical threads to other addresses. This reduces manual sorting. Enable keyboard shortcuts and practice a few, compose, reply, archive, to speed through tasks. Use templates for frequent replies and schedule sends for optimal timing. Make sure to test filters on a few messages so you don't misroute important mail. Once filters work, you'll notice a big productivity gain. To finish, audit your inbox and connections so everything stays tidy and secure. Check spam and storage, remove unused connected apps, and adjust sync options. Use search operators like from, subject, and has attachment to find specific messages fast instead of scrolling. If an email seems missing, don't panic. Inspect filters, all mail, trash, and POP/IMAP rules that may have moved it. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or disable and re-enable the Gmail app to refresh settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.